Get your damn plate.
Yeah, watch this. This is what it's really like living with him.
Your stuff's burning. Hurry up, get your plate.
Everybody
It's
loves
burning.
him. This is what I deal with.
Burning!
All right, I got the Griddle Hack for my Green Mountain Grill this weekend. And this is kind of a last minute video. Wasn't planning on doing it, but I got 2 New York strips at the store yesterday. I immediately got them home. I seasoned them with seasoned salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of olive oil. Let them set overnight, and I decided to slice up some potatoes and onions real thin, and I have some fresh rosemary and thyme. So I got the Green Mountain Grill up to 300 degrees, and I put these on the grill. So check this out. These are amazing. So again, I'm not going to show you the prep. I'm just going to show you from the grill. But I told you just a minute ago how I prepped them. So check it out. These are amazeballs.
I think John likes his Father's Day gift. The Griddle Hack for his Daniel Boone Green Mountain Grill. What do you think, honey?
I think those look delicious right there.
Let's see. Ooh, potatoes and onions to go with our steaks. All with a smoky feel to it, like a campfire. That and some fireball shots, and it's been a good Father's Day, I think.
All right, the steaks are on. We got the butter on. We got thyme and rosemary added for flavor, the aroma. I just want to eat off the grill right now.
I've watched him do that. It's disgusting.
It's amazing.
I think he likes his Griddle Hack that goes in his grill. I'm waiting for some steak and eggs on the Griddle Hack, pancakes.
Well,
This is why we're fat. You know that, right?
enough. Soon enough. All right, look at that thyme and rosemary on there. Wait till I flip those. I can smell it.
God, he's always smelling the grill. I'm glad he likes his Father's Day gift.
All right, Heidi wants eggs with her shit, so
Yes! Am I right? I'm right. We all know I'm right. I'm always right. Look at that. Oh, yes.
all right, let me mix those eggs in with her potatoes.
Notice he had to separate them so it's not on his side. He's going to feel sorry.
I'm not. I
realizes
don't
how
want
good it
eggs.
is.
This is not breakfast.
It could
I'm
be.
eating steak.
Hello? Steak and eggs for breakfast, potatoes and onions any time of day. Who's with me on this? Blow up his phone
Don't
if
do
you
it.
agree with me.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Look, we got
Do it.
steak and potatoes and onions.
Do
Eggs
it.
don't need to go with it. It's not morning, it's dinner.
You know breakfast for dinner is the bomb. Especially with a couple fireball shots. Yes? Yes, sir.
Guess what?
Well, I thought you were telling me something. The cook is
What I'm telling
delegating.
you is, get your damn plate.
Yeah, watch this.
Shit's ready. Hey, turn that shit off. Get your plate.
This is what it's really like living with him.
Your stuff's burning. Hurry up. Get your plate.
Everybody
It's
loves him.
burning.
This is what I deal with.
Burning.
It's what?
It's burning. Your shit's burning.
That looks pretty damn good to me. That's not burned. You're too good of a cook to burn it.
All right, Father's Day dinner. Got me a New York strip on the Griddle Hack. Onions and potatoes. Look at that. You can't even identify the potatoes. They're cooked so well. Those are amazing by themselves. Look at the steak. Cooked. Oh, cooked perfectly. Like medium-ish. Let's try these. Look at that. Let's try these with the mushrooms and onions. Wow. Tell you what, I'm a big fan of the Griddle Hack. New York strip, potatoes, onions. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this, but I am. I need to go lay down. Whew. I got the meat sweats going. But did I say this is amazing? Griddle Hack, I love you. Happy Father's Day. And please like this video, click the thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And thanks for stopping by. Happy Father's Day.